Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss how Facebook ads targeting system work and why the interest targeting is no longer the future. So first of all, let me tell you why this is important for you. See, in the past we have seen that we have been told that there are some secret interest hacks in respect of Facebook. If you want to scale your campaign, if you want to grow your campaign, Facebook ads campaign, then there are secret interest hacks that you must know. Secret interest targeting or competitor targeting that you must be doing. All these hacks we have been taught, but post iOS update, the system has changed. Now these secret hacks no longer works, and if we try to use these hacks, the campaign performance becomes unstable at scale, and as a result of which the campaign performance starts dipping down. So launching multiple campaigns, multiple ad sets, and using secret interest or these kind of things in nowadays no longer works. This will give you start your campaign performance will start becoming unstable as soon as you start scaling your ad account. So this is why we must understand now in today's world how the interest targeting work and how we can make the best use of it so that we get stable performance when we start scaling our ad account. So first, on diving deep into this topic, first let me tell you a concept about first party data and third party data. See, first party data is all data that Facebook or you can say Meta acquires from about you from its own platforms or from sister platforms, like whatever data, whatever activity you do on Facebook, whatever activity you do on Instagram, Threads, then your WhatsApp. So whatever activities, whether it is sharing, liking, commenting, you do that, the whatever data that Facebook is able to get from its own sources or from its sister sources comes under the category of first party data. Number two, third party data. Whatever data Facebook is able to get from other platforms, like we install while running ads, we install Pixel on our website. So Pixel sends this our website data to Facebook or Meta. This is called third party data. Whether and whatever data Facebook buys from other platforms like Google or TikTok or whatever other platforms that Facebook or Meta do not own, then these comes under the category of third party data. So first party data comes from platform that Facebook owns. Third party data comes from platform that Facebook do not own. Now here's the thing that in in today's time, in the Facebook's access, all these platforms which are not owned by Facebook's are restricting Facebook's access to the third party data. Yes, so Facebook access to this third party data is now being restricted. Internet is going cookieless. Like initially, after the iOS update, Apple restricted Facebook to track its users' data. Similarly, other platforms are also moving ahead and they are stopping Facebook to track their users' data. So now the challenge is that Facebook was able to do the interest targeting on the basis of this third party and first party data. But now Facebook's access to third party data is being restricted. So the ability to optimize your ad campaigns on the basis of interest targeting is getting reduced. Facebook's ability to optimize your ad campaigns on the basis of these secret interest targeting is getting reduced. As a result, when you use these interest targeting at scale while scaling your campaign, your ads account performance starts fluctuating. So now what Facebook recommends is broad targeting at scale. So all the ad campaigns that I am running are at broad targeting or open targeting. Means there is no interest in that. And the campaigns have been performing beautifully at scale. So first thing that we must keep in mind that the future is broad targeting. Future or what, or you can say that now the it has shifted to broad targeting. Number one. Number two is now how Facebook is able to target your users. This is so Facebook uses AI based image recognition model for targeting. Once again, Facebook uses AI based image recognition model to target the users. It means that whatever ad creative, ad copies you launch on Facebook, Facebook's AI algorithm reads that data, whatever you have written, and on that basis, it's now targeting your users or buyers, basically your audience. So, technically speaking, the targeting is in the ad, not in the ad account. The targeting is in the ad. So, as a marketeer, your focus should be to come up with new creative ideas, come up with new ad cap copies based on your different customer profiles, so as to enable Facebook to target different types of people. So first thing that you must remember is broad targeting. Second thing that you must remember is Facebook follows AI follows this AI image recognition model where the targeting is in the ad. What you write in the ad, on that basis Facebook will decide to which ad to show to which user. Third important thing is that launching multiple campaigns or multiple ad sets within a campaign with different interest if you do this, then also your campaign performance will start becoming unstable, because I mentioned earlier that number one, Facebook itself recommends broad targeting. Now different ad sets at with different interest will start competing against each other. Here's how. See, so Facebook AI, what does it recommend? We were discussing that if you divide your ad account into multiple campaigns and with different ad sets having different interests, then there are a high probability that your one ad set is competing against each other, number one, and there is audience fragmentation on the basis of interest targeting. What is audience fragmentation? See, there is a chunk of audience, 100 people who may be interested in your ad. Now, on the basis of interest targeting, you have divided these 100 people into small blocks. So, it becomes difficult for Facebook to optimize your ad campaigns. Which ad to show first to which audience. This is also one of the reasons for that Facebook recommends audience fragmentation to Facebook. You might have noticed this, that Facebook sometimes recommends that there is audience fragmentation and combine these ad sets to combine ad sets. This is why, because these ad sets are competing against each other. As a result, the performance becomes unstable. And the third reason is that, for example, let me explain you this with the help of an example. I, as a user on Facebook, may be interested in different interests. For example, I am interested in communication, I am interested in Facebook ads, I am interested in, you say, for example, cricket, IPL. Now, there is three advertisers on Facebook who are using different interest, or you are an advertiser who wants to target me. In one ad set you have chosen communication, in other ad set you have chosen, say for example, similar interest, English speaking. For example, in other ad set you have chosen English speaking, and in third you have chosen like fluency as interest, for example. Then what will happen, this will lead to audience overlap. Three ads are there. When you will run ads, these ads of all your ads, it is highly possible that all of these ads will be reaching to the same audience because of audience overlap. Because if you, from my perspective, I am interested in communication, I am also interested in English speaking, I am also interested in English fluency. So all your ads might be reaching the same audience, causing audience overlap, and this is also a reason your performance will dip. So, long story short, the future is broad targeting, number one. Second thing, your focus should be on creating more better quality creatives, number two. And third is that you should focus only on your media buying strategy should be as simple as possible. If possible, one campaign, one ad set, and winning ads stacked together. That should be your media buying strategy. Okay, good night.